Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Figma design into WordPress. Okay, let's get started. First, open Figma and sign in to your account. After you reach the home page, find the design file that you want to convert. Make sure your design is fully finished and ready, because a well-organized file makes the move to WordPress much easier. Click on the design to open it and go through the layout, sections, and important elements that you want to keep the same on your website. While you're inside the design, look for the Action button. Click on it to see more options. Then search for WordPress. From the list of tools, select the one called Figma to WordPress. This tool takes care of the main conversion process and helps move your design into WordPress faster. Just follow the on-screen steps to finish the process. Once the conversion starts, the tool will prepare your design so it works with WordPress. And that's basically how you can convert a Figma design to WordPress. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.